This video outlines how to define routers in the Enforcer Smart Manufacturing software. Routers specify the required operations for each product and the order in which the operations must occur. To begin the router definition, select Process Setup from the main menu, then select Digital Process. Finally, select Routers from the main menu bar. Click on the Select box in the upper left-hand corner to pick an existing router or to create a new router. Each router may have several different router paths. Each path defines a unique group of operations to process a specific product type. For example, a calculator assembly line may produce both battery-powered and solar-powered devices. The battery router includes a battery install operation, yet the solar router does not. To add a new operation to the process, simply drag the operation icon onto the router template. Select the type of operation from the pick list. The numeric field identifies how many times the operation must be successfully performed. The Is Consecutive checkbox specifies all occurrences of this operation must be completed before performing other operations. If this box is not checked, other operations could be performed before returning to perform the required iterations of this operation. The Part Group Synchronous checkbox specifies if all members of this part group must finish this operation before any of the members advance to the next operation. The pick list to the left of this checkbox identifies the part group to treat as synchronous. The Print Serial Number Label checkbox determines if a serial number label is printed upon successful completion of the operation. The pick list to the left of the checkbox identifies the format to use for the serial number label. Finally, the priority list identifies the order of evaluation if multiple exit paths exist for an operation. By clicking and dragging an operation to a new position, the priority can be changed. In this example, the pack and ship path has the highest priority. If the exit criteria for the pack and ship is met, this product is transferred to the pack and ship operation. If it is not met, then the endpoint criteria is evaluated. The following is an example of adding a new operation to a router path. Drag the operation icon onto the router path screen. Select the operation type and all the other operation options. Place it in the router by connecting the output of another operation to the input of this operation. Define the next operation conditions by clicking Add and specifying the required conditions to advance the process. Then connect the output of the new operation to the input of the next operation in the process. Define the next operation conditions for this new router connection. A new endpoint can be added by dragging the endpoint icon onto the router path and defining a name and next operation conditions. All of these changes have been made to the battery router path of this process. The solar router should also be revised to include the new operation. If new products with varying processes are added to this router, a new router path could be added. Click the blue Add box to define the new router path, or select Save As to copy the active router path to a new router path. This completes the discussion of router definition. To view additional training videos, please visit our website, innovarsystems.com.